first, we will create a message template where we will write the due payment message for the customer. So scroll down to message template option. Now let's create a template variable which we will use on the message template. So scroll down and click on the create button. I'm going to set the variable name to due and click on the save button. Refresh the web page and click on the create button next to the message template option. Now give a template name. So I'm going to write due message NT. Select marketing as a template category, and in the message body, I'm going to write choose season name and your monthly due is. Want to take the variable, not the date variable. I'm going to take the due variable here. Yes. Paste it over here and USD. Please payment your it's possible. Thanks. I'm just trying to keep it sharp and select the save button. Yeah, success. Now click on the sync button to get WhatsApp's approval for the message template. It may take some time to get approved by the WhatsApp, so please keep your patience. Oh, it's already approved. I guess I'm lucky this time. Now let's go to webhook workflow option and create a new workflow. Give a workflow name, and I'm gonna write due message sent. Choose the WhatsApp account from which you want to send the message, and after that, choose the message template that we just made. And finally, click on the create workflow button. Here, you can see a Google Sheet trigger instruction button. Click on it, and you can see written instructions about how to use it. And down below is the code that you have to copy. So copy this code using this copy button and go to your Google Sheet. You can start from a blank Google Sheet, or you can also use a pre-made Google Sheet file to automate this process. So I'm going to choose this blank Google Sheet over here. Give it a title. Now write 3 column names. First one is phone number, the name, and due amount, and save it. Then go to the extension option and then to app script. Remove the existing code and paste the code that we just copied and save it by clicking on Ctrl S. Then go to the trigger option and click on the add trigger button. And after that, choose which function to run and select it to on change. And also select the event type to on change. Make sure to check your browser's blocking option is turned off. Otherwise, it won't work. And now save it. Then choose your Gmail account. Then you will get this Google hasn't verified this app message. Don't worry about it. Just click on the advanced option over here. And click on go to untitled project option. Then allow it. And your trigger will be set. Now we have to test the webhook. Go back to the webhook page and click on Capture Webhook Response button. And go back to Google Sheet and input the data. So I'm going to write to this, and for name, I'm going to write Jamon and due amount is 25. Okay. Then go back to webhook page, and as you can see, the webhook is successfully called. Now click on this Load Data button under the raw data section to check if the data is captured correctly or not. All good over here. Now let's set up webhook response mapping. For phone number, choose this option. You can also add a formatter if needed. If you don't know how to use the formatter option, you can see our dedicated webhook video. I can give you the link in the description. So after that, for username, choose this one, and for due, choose this one. Okay. Now finally save it. Then go back to Google Sheet again and give a real phone number. So I'm going to write this and your name, call your customer's name, and the due amount, I'm going to say 35, and save it. Now, if you go back to webhook page, you can see your WhatsApp message has been sent automatically. Click on this report option to check the analytics of this WhatsApp message. Now open your WhatsApp and you can see the message has arrived in your WhatsApp. For this video, I've used my personal WhatsApp account this. Just like this, your customers will also receive the message. It may take some time for the message to be delivered. It totally depends on WhatsApp's end, so we have no control over this. But the delay period is very little, so I think you won't have any trouble using it. So that's all about it for this video. If you find any problem regarding this, you can share your problem in comment section or in our website's forum section. Link will be in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.